Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing number 196. Let's see. For this box, we're just missing a 4. And for this box, we're just missing a 9. For this row, then, we're missing a 7. In this row, we're missing a 3. For this box, then, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 9. For this column, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 5. For this column, we're missing 2, 5, and 6. So we've got the 2 here, so 5, 6, the 5 here, so 2, 6, 2, 6. That means that our 5 has to be here. For this box now, we're missing 3, 4, and 6. We've got a 3 here, so 4, 6, a 6 here, so 3, 4, and no help here, so 3, 4, 6. For this row, we're missing 3, 4, and 5. We've got a 3 here, so 4, 5. But we've got a 3 and 5 here, so that makes this our 4. So this would be our 3 and our 5. And then we can get rid of this 3 up here. For this box now, we're missing 1, 2, and 7. We've got a 1 and 2 here, so this is our 7. A 1 here, so 2, 1. For this row now, we're missing 3, 4, and 6. Got a 4 here, so 3, 6, and a 6 here, so 3, 4. For this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we're missing a 7. For this column, we're missing a 1 and 2, and I don't see any help. So 1, 2, 1, 2. For this column, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 5 here, so 6, 5. For this column, looks like we're missing 2, 3, 6, and 7. We've got 2 and 3 here, so 6, 7. 7 here, so 2, 3, 6. A 3 here, so 2, 6, 7. For this column, looks like we're missing 4, 6, 8, and 9. We've got 4 and 6 here, so 8, 9. 8 and 9 here, so 4, 6. 4 and 9 here, so 6, 8. And the 8 up here, so 4, 6, 9. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, 8, and 9. We've got 2 and 8 here, so 1, 9. 2 here and a 9 here, so 1, 8. So if I double check here, it looks like the only place our 2 can be for that row is here, and that makes this our 1. Right. So if we do this column, we're missing 1, 3, 4, 7, 9. We've got 1 and 3 here, so 4, 7, 9. 7, 9 here, so 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4, and 9 here. So that means this is our 7. And then we can get rid of this 7. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, 6, and 8. We've got an 8 here, 2 here, so 1, 6. All right, so if we look at this box, the only place our 8 can be is here. That makes this our 9 and our 1. And we look again, the only place our 1 can be is here. So we can get rid of this 1. This 9 means we can get rid of this 9. So now if we look at this box, the only place the 7 can be is here. The only place the 9 can be is here. And then we can get rid of this 7. If we look at this column, the only place our 8 can be is here. All right, well, I think we're stuck. So I am just going to plug in a number. I will just go with a 4 here. That makes this our 6, 3, 6, 4. That 6 would make this our 2, and the 2 and 6 would make this our 3. 3 would make this our 4. That would make this our 6, this our 2, and this our 6. Let's look here pretty quick. Looks like that is correct. That is correct. All right, I think we did it. I think we pulled it off. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.